Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this one, I am going to share 15 of the best side hustles you can start with zero upfront cost. I'll walk you through each one and show you where to get started. So first, go to Google and search for pro bloggers job. This one here, pro bloggers job. Now here you will see a lot of job listings. So if you enjoy writing, freelance writing, Uh, these jobs can pay anywhere from $500 to 5,000 a month. Websites, blogs, and companies are always hiring. You can also see the sponsored, which is Indeed.com, and Indeed is also you can find a lot of job offers on Indeed as well. If you have a good writer's profile, that is. And if you don't want to go with the big ones, you can start small. Like you can start writing on Medium, and Medium is also a good place for writers, and Medium has a membership program. And if your story is good, Medium will there is a program called Medium Publishers or something like that, I forgot, but that pays good, as far as I know. Also, if your profile is really good, you can also try out for jobs on Upwork as well. And there is a bit of cost involved when it comes to Upwork. Like you have to purchase, purchase tokens or something like that to apply for bids. If you don't want to do that, make sure to have a good Indeed profile and also apply for Pro Blogger as well. There are a lot of jobs, and as you can see, there are 7 active jobs in the last month, and a lot of candidates as well. So if you are a writer and enjoy writing, first option is freelance writing. Now, if you are more of a creative person, then I suggest you start selling printables on Etsy. So let me show you Etsy printables, print on demand. So this is Etsy. So this is a marketplace where you can sell your uh, merch. You can create planners, budget templates, or code just once and sell them repeatedly. You can use Canva to make the designs easy for beginners, and Etsy is a great place to sell. Many sellers make $500 to $1,000 a month. As you can see, a lot of designs. You can easily make this design using Canva. Now, if there is another, now the next option is virtual assistant. So just type for virtual assistant jobs, and you'll find it also on Indeed again. And if you don't want to go there, you can also go to Upwork to find VA jobs as well. And VA jobs pay out well. I mean, you can earn around $1,000 easily if you uh, know your way around the internet. Now, if you spot typos easily, there is proofreading jobs. So let me just show you again. Indeed comes up a lot because this is a great place for remote job hunters. All right. So make sure to have a good profile on Indeed, and you can find a lot of jobs like proofreading, writing, editing, and more. And proofreading pays around $20 to $50 per hour, and writers and businesses need polished content. Even in the age of AI, proofreaders are still needed because, you know, AI sometimes writes very long and misleading information. So proofreaders still have their demand. And you can also look for gigs on sites like Upwork or Fiverr as well. So go to Fiverr and search for proofreading jobs. You can make a gig similar to the ones that are currently ranking, and clients will come to your profile. If they see something that they want, they will reach out to you. Now, another option I would suggest is to start a blog. You can start a blog on WordPress.com, WordPress blogs. Let me just tap it. So you can just create your own blog on using WordPress.com. It's very free. There is also Blogger.com, and previously I have mentioned Medium. You can also start your blog on Medium as well. Medium is also a great place. It has a lot of members who continuously post stories, events, and more. You can also add affiliate links and sponsorships on your post as well. Now, if you want to get out of the online world, then I suggest you start a food delivery gig. This would be a good side hustle. And if you're in the US, try DoorDash. If you got a bike, scooter, or car, you can easily start delivering with DoorDash and choose your own hours, earning very well location. Plus, you keep the tips. Now, another thing is Meta ads. So, a lot of small businesses are looking for people to run ads for them. So, what you do is learn how to run Facebook or Instagram ads and help small businesses. You can easily earn around $1,000 to $2,000 a month by simple campaigns, managing simple campaigns. Meta blueprints and YouTube tutorials are great for free starting parts. Now, let me go out from the online world and show you another quick side hustle, which is dog walking. As you can see, there are a lot of dog walking jobs. So Rover is a good place. Indeed, again, is a good place. Pet sitter is as well. So there are a lot of dog walking jobs, which animal lovers are really into, and it can earn somewhere around 15 to $25 per work or more for overnight stays. You can sign up for Rover, Wag, or promote in local Facebook groups. And then there is booking jobs. So bookkeeping jobs, Indeed, I'll say Indeed somewhere. Okay, so there is okay, so Indeed again. Now bookkeeping jobs, you don't need to be a CPA. Just go to numbers. Bookkeeping pays about 20 to 40 per hour. Just learn the basics on YouTube and find clients online or locally. You can also sell old electronics, like garage sales for old electronics, and just see which garage sales are doing really well, and you can do similar sales on your garage as well. Now, another good place to find jobs is on Pinterest. Yes, you heard it right. Pinterest management is a good side hustle. So let me show you how it is. Pinterest manager jobs. All right. So businesses need help creating pins regularly and boosting traffic. If you love Pinterest, you can easily make $500 to $1,000 a month as a Pinterest virtual assistant. And also, there are surveys and where you this is a small income strip. Maybe you'd like let me just go ahead and show you. So Google Opinion viewers. Now Google surveys. This is a small income stream. You can make somewhere around $1 to $5 per day, but it is easy to do while watching Netflix. Sign up for multiple sites like Swagbucks or Inbox Dollars. Again, if you don't want to do any side hustles on online, then go out again and try Lyft. If you enjoy driving, Lyft lets you set your own schedule. You may also qualify bonuses as well. You'll need a four-door car, be at least 25 years old plus, and pass a background check. So, Lyft is a good option. Also, there is DoorDash, Uber, and a lot more. Now, if you want to shop and deliver groceries and still make money per hour, then there is another place similar to this, which is Instacart. Let me just show you that one as well. Instacart. So it is perfect if you like shopping and want flexible hours. And Instacart, with this, you can make around 15 to $25 per hour delivering groceries. So that's all the side hustles I can think of, which you can start today without spending a dime. So let me know which one you will try first in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.